How to protect yourself from signing a bad mortgage contract by howtogrowcredit.com. While you watch this video, please consider subscribing. If you like this content, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to comment down below with any questions. We would love to hear from you. Also, if you have a YouTube channel and let us know that you followed, we would love to follow you back. Let's grow together. Also, when the video ends, make sure to check out the rest of the content on this channel and our website howtogrowcredit.com. Both with new content added daily. Start preparing for the home loan process of taking out a mortgage way ahead of time. Get your budget completed and your financial documents in line before beginning your search for a home and home loan. This includes saving money for a down payment and organizing your finances in order. You will not get a loan if you hold off too long. Don't be tempted to borrow the maximum amount you qualify for. Consider your lifestyle and spending habits to figure out how much you can truly afford to finance for a home. If you hope to be approved for a mortgage loan for a home, then you need a long-term work history on record. Lenders generally like to see steady work history of around 2 years. Multiple job changes can also cause disqualification. Never quit your job when you apply for a loan. Many homeowners may give up on their problems with a lender. If you are in financial trouble, try to renegotiate the terms of your loan. Be sure to call the mortgage holder. Don't go charging up a storm while you wait for approval. Lenders recheck credit before a mortgage close and could change their mind if too much activity is noticed. Wait until the loan is closed to spend a lot on your mortgage before running out for furniture and other large expenses. You should pay no more than 30% of your monthly income toward a home loan. Paying a lot because you make enough money can cause problems to occur later on if you were to have any financial problems. Keeping your manageable payments helps you to have a good budget in order. Avoid spending any excess money after you apply for a loan. Lenders often recheck credit a few days before a mortgage is finalized, and may change their minds if they see too much activity. If you need to make any major purchases, wait until after you sign the closing paperwork. Don't lose hope if your loan application that's denied. Each lender is quite different from the criteria that must be met to qualify for loan approval. This makes it a good idea to apply with a bunch of different lenders in the first place. There are government programs that can offer assistance to first-time home buyers. You may want to hire a consultant to help guide you with the mortgage process. A consultant can help you navigate the process. They can also ensure that the terms are fair. You are sure to need to come up with a down payment. Although there are some mortgages you can get without a down payment, for the most part, you are required to have one. Ask what the down payment has to be before you send in your application. Ask your friends for recommendations when it comes to a home mortgage. They are probably going to be able to provide you with a lot of advice that you should be looking for. They may even have a negative experience they learned from. The interest rate determines how much you eventually pay for the home. Know what you'll be spending and how they will change your monthly payment. You could pay more than you can afford if you are not careful with interest rates. Do your potential mortgage lenders before you sign an official contract with them. Do not blindly trust what your lender is trustworthy. Look on the internet. Check out the BBB website. You have plenty of information before you can be prepared to secure favorable loan terms. If you get denied for a home loan, don't stop looking. Just because one company has given you a denial, this doesn't mean they all will. Look into all of your borrowing options. Finding a co-signer may be necessary, but there are options for you. Know your fees before signing on the dotted line. You will be required to pay closing costs, commissions and other fees that ought to be itemized for you. You can negotiate this with either the lender or seller. Credit score. A good credit score will better your offers. Get your credit scores from all the big agencies so that you can check it over for mistakes. Banks typically don't approve anyone with a credit score lower than 620. When a mortgage lender analyzes your financial picture, they will look at your credit cards to see how big a balance you carry on each one. Try to maintain a balance lower than 50% of your limit. If you're able to, balances that are lower than 30% of the credit you have available work the best. Getting an approval letter can make the seller get impressed and see that you're able and ready to buy. It also shows that you've already undergone a great deal of financial security and have received approval. If you are approved for a larger amount, then the seller is going to expect more. You don't have to rework your entire file if you've been denied. You simply move on to the next lender. It may not be your fault, some lenders are just more picky than others. You may just find someone as you're looking that's willing to work with you. The rates of bank posts are not set in stone. Usually, a mortgage that has a balloon rate is simple to get. This mortgage has a short term and you will have to refinance the balance you still owe when the loan expires. These loans are risky since interest rates can escalate rapidly. Don't change jobs while you are in the process of getting a mortgage application. Your lender will find out that you've switched job change and this could lead to delays on your closing. Check a few books out from your local public library on the home mortgage process. A variety of books contain information about the process. Never go with a broker who solicits your patronage. Keep your credit cards in your name to a minimum before buying a house. Too many credit cards make you seem irresponsible, even if you don't have too much debt on them. Having a low amount of credit cards can help you get a better interest rate. Make sure that your credit rating is in good shape before you apply with a mortgage lender. This requires on-time payment of bills on time and eliminating debt as soon as possible. These things show a lender that you will get. Now that you have more information about mortgages, put yourself out there. Apply this advice to make the process easier. Begin putting this advice together to get the financing necessary to purchase your home. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the rest of the content on this channel and our website howtogrowcredit.com. Both with new content added daily. Also, check out our recommended credit repair system with the link in the description. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Not only does it help us make new content for you but also tells YouTube to share this content with others. How to grow credit. Steps to grow your credit score.